Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 30 and we have successfully completed 30 days. Clap for yourself. Okay. So let's jump into this problem seriously. Okay. So what is our understanding of the problem? So first understand that. So basically we have given an integer n. Okay. So we will ask the user to give us the value for this n, and then we need to print the n stars in a single line. I hope you understand, but if not, so let's see. So let's say the input is 2. Okay, now we will print 2 stars in a single line. Okay, now let's say the input is 3, then we will print 3 stars in a single line. Now it's clear. So let's see what our approach gonna be to solve this. Okay, so first we will take an integer n from the user, then we initialize a variable to store our sum, and the sum initially will be 0. Then we will use a loop to which will iterate from 1 to n, and in each iteration we will print star. Okay, and then what we will do, we will move to a new line. After, means let's say we have printed a star, then we will move to the next line. Okay, so once all the stars are printed, let's say input is 5, so if 5 stars are printed, then we will move to the next line, and that's all we have to do. So let's write the code for this. So we have wrote a code. So first we are taking the input from the user, then we have used this for loop. Okay, so which will range from I to n. Okay, and then inside this for loop, for each iteration we are printing a star. Okay, then because we do not want to go to next line, that's why we are using this end is equals to there is no blank. So if I do this, so there will be a space between stars, but in the output there is no space, that's why we are not giving any space. Okay, so this will print out all the stars, and finally to move into the new line we are doing this print. So if you do not want to do this, you can remove this will do not make any impact. Okay, so let's run this, and let's see, we have given 2 and 3 as input. So if I do 2 stars will be printed, yes, and if I give 3, then 3 stars will be printed. See, now we can do some optimization here, as I can see. So what optimization we can do is basically, instead of using this for loop, okay, so we can eliminate this for loop. What we can do, we can directly multiply this star by n, so that many times the star will get printed. So let me write the code so you will understand this. This is our optimized approach. We are taking the input from the user, and then we are printing the star the number of time user wants. It's that simple. Let's run this and see whether it's like even working or not. So let's run this and give it 2. It's printing 2 stars. Let's give 3. It's printing 3 stars, and that's it. We have successfully solved this problem. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.